In today's video, I'll show you how to download music from YouTube to your device. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. YouTube offers an audio library, which is a collection of music that you can freely download and use in your videos. To access it, simply head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. If you're not signed in yet, make sure to log in first. Then click on YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look to the left sidebar and click on Audio Library. Here, you'll find a wide variety of music tracks available for free use in your videos, even if you plan to monetize them. To listen to a track, simply click the play button next to the song you're interested in. If you like the track, just click the download button on the right side, and your music will begin downloading. Once it's done, you can locate the file in your browser or through your file explorer, typically under the Downloads folder.